she's working on a particular phase. And this, statement to me tells me that yes, I was working on a particular phase and piecing, things together. So the piece that we saw, in Madrid and Luzerne tells me, look here, when me piece on back, this starts, I'm going to be doing something devastating in Budapest. Trackies, I cannot wait. Again, as I said, I've been fully excited to see our Jamaican athletes step to the track and, of course, defend home turf. I feel we medal them there.
Unbelievable! He's done it again! Thompson puts here! Thompson Hero wins! 10-6-0! Olympic record! Whoa! Corey got a big damage started on his third. Corey really taking it off. Corey, our Corey number. Another goal. The legacy as one of the all-time greats is surely complete.
Olympic champion! Here comes the world champion!
Defending champion comes back and wins again in supreme style.
Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Now with that said, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the dandada in the women's 100 meters. Trackies, I'm talking about the woman that has won gold 5 times at the World Championships, and of course, she has 2 Olympic gold medals in the 100 meters. She has dropped a ominous warning. Trackies, she is coming. Now I've never not placed my bets on Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Over the years watching her compete, this woman shows up and she shows up to compete and she shows up to win time and time again. And you know what? The results, speak for themselves. So what did Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce say? She said, "When a dead, not dash it away. Wink." Listen, Trackies, she is coming. I'm excited. Let me tell you, I have been excited, seeing, her step to the track. I had to come out, and talk about, a few, naysayers, suggesting that maybe, she will not, quote unquote, be at her best. I'm like, listen, that's not the vibe I'm getting. I'm getting a Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce that's definitely gonna come out. And in my opinion, I talked about this in the Sherika video where I said the only person that can stop Sherika is Shelly-Ann. And it's the same thing. The only person that can stop Shelly from winning gold, in my opinion, of course, is Sherika Jackson. Those are the only 2 athletes that have dipped into 10 season, legally over their career. And that those 10-8s give me a good sign as it relates to what is to come. So of course, I'm fully excited, to see Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, step to the track in Budapest. I'm dying. Now, with that said, this comes on the back of her, releasing a statement. Her statement was like, she's like, "Woo! Oh, how I've missed you." And of course, that is, the track. She is, an athlete, in my opinion, similar to Kobe Bryant. He penned a letter to basketball. And in my opinion, this is her penning a letter, to track and field. And she says, it's been an unusual start to the season, but here we are. As Jamaicans would say, you want good, you know how to run. Right now, I'm just believing in God's master plan over everything. I'm taking my time, paying attention to the details, and trusting my gut. Luzerne and Madrid were definitely a step in the right direction as I continue to piece together the road to Budapest. I can't wait to see you all at Worlds. And by y'all, clearly, that is, of course, the fans. I am excited. It's a pity I won't be there. But yeah, I am fully excited to see you, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, line up at Worlds. But of course, what was interesting to me is when she said, piecing the things together. Trackies, remember I talked about Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's race, strategy. What I took away from those 2 runs, in Luzerne. To me, she was working in a particular segment of her race. What I saw was her working on the end of her race, making sure that, she has that strength, endurance at the end of the race, coming out from a relatively poor start, for a Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, that definitely is a poor start. But to be able to gap the field like that post such a start, Trackies, tells me that she's working on a particular phase. And this, statement to me tells me that yes, I was working on a particular phase and piecing, things together. So the piece that we saw, in Madrid and Luzerne tells me, look here, when me piece on back, this starts, I'm going to be doing something devastating in Budapest. Trackies, I cannot wait. Again, as I said, I've been fully excited to see our Jamaican athletes step to the track and, of course, defend home turf. A few medal them there. I don't care what nobody wants to say, whether it's Shelly, whether it's Sharika. I'm fully excited to see them come out and do their best, at the World Championships. And, signs that we've gotten from Sharika tell us that, she's going to be doing her best. And, the signs, in my opinion, from Shelly and Fraser Price is telling me again that she has her best to drop, at the World Championships. And this best is definitely gold medal contention best. So anyway, Trackies, what do you make of, both, statements that Shelly-Ann made, the last one, the most recent one saying, look here, we're not then not dash it away with a little wink. And we know, she's a little trickster herself. So she always, got people thinking, about the things, the moves that she's making. So, I'm excited. What are your thoughts though? Sound off in the comment section below. As usual, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.